Do you want to be able to change the Wi-Fi on your Shark robot? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So as you can see, the step number one is going to be for you to reset the Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that your Shark robot is powered on, so you need to turn it on, and it's going to be within the range of your Wi-Fi. So as long as your Wi-Fi signal is able to pick it up, basically. And then you need to press and hold the dock and clean buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. So click on them and click on that buttons, as you can see, the dock and clean buttons simultaneously, so at the same time, and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator light starts flashing. So you will be able to see the light start flashing after it's done. This actually resets the Wi-Fi settings, making the robot ready to connect to a whole new network. So the step number two is going to be to connect to the new Wi-Fi. So open your Shark Clean app on your phone. Then if needed, you need to obviously sign in into your Shark account if you haven't done so already. Then you need to tap on the settings menu and then choose Wi-Fi settings. So click on Wi-Fi settings, then select reconnect or change network and follow the on-screen instructions. So click on reconnect or change network, and then you need to follow the instruction after that. The step number 5 in here is going to be for you to choose your new Wi-Fi network and then obviously enter the password when you have to. So enter the new password on your Wi-Fi. So then it's going to be the step number 3, and the last step is going to be to confirm the connection. So the Wi-Fi light on the Shark robot should turn solid, indicating that it has actually successfully connected to a new Wi-Fi. If the connection fails, restart your router and try the steps once again. And very important here, as you can see, your Wi-Fi must be 2.4 GHz, as you can see, as Shark robots do not support 5G HZ networks. If you're having trouble, try forgetting the device in the Shark Clean app and setting it up as a new device. So what I mean by this is that you need to actually click on the button where it says forget the device, so you forget your Shark device, and then you need to set it up once again on the Shark Clean app and try once again and see if that can also fix this issue.